Hey there, this is Anamika on my channel Easy to Learn. Today I will talk to you about natural resources. By listening the word natural, we came to know that anything that we get from our nature or something that are related to nature are called natural resources. Now moving towards this slide, first we will go through the definition. What are natural resources? Natural resources are something that is found in nature and can be used by people. We can also see it as the natural resources like air, water, plants, and everything that we get from nature without any intervention of human beings are called natural resources. Natural resources are the blessings for all of us, for all of the living beings that have not just made our survival possible but also made our life more comfortable. Now, about the classification of natural resources, the first one is renewable resources. What is renewable resources? That can be renewed, or we can say that can be replenished, as for example solar energy. Geothermal plants and hydropower stations are the examples for renewable resources. The other one is non-renewable resources that cannot be reproduced or regenerated by the nature. As for example, coal, petroleum, nuclear power, and natural gas are the examples for non-renewable resources. We all know that natural resources are the nature's best gift for all of us. But what are the causes of its depletion? So, first one it will be overpopulation, poor farming practices, overconsumption of natural resources, pollution, industrial and technological development are some of the major points that destroying our natural resources very rapidly. To overcome the depletion, we will go through the several steps that help us to conserve our nature, our natural resources. Environment science must be taught to the children in school as it helps students to understand how their action, their decisions affect the environment. Plantation should be done in large number as tree provides oxygen and it is very useful for us to plant more and more trees. Overgrazing must be prevented. Recycling and reusing non-renewable resources should be done. Use of biogas and biofuels should be used more oftenly. So by taking several steps, we can able to save our nature. I hope this video will help you and make easy to learn. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.